community. Everyone, and we just want to thank Abazali that allowed ingane ukuthi siphume zizodlala. So we're trying to create a revolution going back to sports, and the initiative is entirely ukuthi sibuyeleni kuma communities ethu kube khona izinto ezenzakalayo so that we prevent and run away from izinto njenge-crime and other things. So the tournament is officially opened. We're hosting a basketball tournament la Sobantu. So our initiative is called Sobantu Community Development. We've got other sponsors that are on board. We've got Umini Cooper that sponsored us. We've got PBA, which is Basketball Academy. Ayanda Shange that runs the academy of Ingane. So he did the fixture for today. And then Emma Grounding, we've got netball, we've got volleyball, we've got golden age for Koko. But all this is to create a vibrance in Malokshini. So
my name is Ayanda Shange. I'm the founder of Basketemics Basketball Academy. And we are here in Woodlands to run the basketball initiative, just to try to raise awareness about basketball, one of the fastest growing sports in the country right now.
Ngubafana Zomigama, coach we-Howick Rangers. Ngiqhamuka eMpophomeni. Sijabula kakhulu ukuhostwa iSobantu.
My name is Yanda Hlongwa. I just like to say that it's quite cool to have an initiative in a community like this where we can play basketball with each other and just have a good time with each other. Rather, where I come from, a market house, where we are privileged to have better facilities and also training camps. So I think it's a good initiative for Basketemics, the team that I'm representing today, to just come here to Woodlands and just represent this team and also just introduce basketball to the community.
To everyone. My name is Mangaliso Anthony Mapumul. We'd like to thank everyone who supported us in this event, of which is an event that is carrying tomorrow. We'll be continuing with the Easter tournament. We'd like to thank the Sobantu community. We'd like to thank everybody, Albani, anyone, our friends, Puti Kumalo, and our main man, Chikonkosi, for making this event a success.